So let's learn Hindi language in English, and we will start with basics. And the basic of Hindi language is word mala. Okay, so word mala has two things. First is swar, and another thing is vyanjan. And in swar we have 13 letters altogether. So we will start with swar letters, and letters like alphabets you say in English. Letters are called akshar. In Hindi we call it akshar. So we will start with the swar akshar. Till here it is clear, I hope. And with the swar akshar, I will tell you the matra of those swar letters also. Letter means akshar. Akshar A, K, S, H, A, R. Here now first swar letter. I should erase this, and we will start with swar part, which has 13 letters, means 13 akshar. So first letter of swar is a, which has like number 3 shape like this. After that we can make one sleeping line and one standing line like this. It is a. The sound is a. For example, when you say umbrella, the first letter sound is a. So this letter don't have any matra. I told you matra means symbol. Those symbols are used in Vyanjan letters for making some words. I will explain you step by step. So a akshar will not have any matra. Why? Because it is silently present in all Vyanjan letters. I can give you example. Like if I say ka, it is the first akshar of Vyanjan letters. So for ka, if I split this ka letter, it will be written as half ka plus a. This is ka. So that's why a is silently present in all Vyanjan letters. Shall we move ahead? After this comes a. A is nothing but it is having the longer sound. It is also like number 3, one sleeping line, standing line, one extra standing line. And if I hide this one, only the standing line will be there. And this standing line is only a matra. This standing line is called a ki matra. After a comes e. E is the next letter of swar akshar. It has small standing line. We'll make it like S, and it has a tail down, and the sound comes E. Very short sound, and it has matra from left side towards right side. So this way we put E matra. After that comes E. E will have little longer sound, and the formation is similar to E, but it has one curve upside. So this is E, and it is just opposite of E. The matra will come from right side towards the left. This is E matra. After that comes U. U. U is just like number 3, and it also has a short sound. It will be having matra below the letter, one curve, and it will go towards left up. This is U matra. After that we have U. U is having long sound, and it has a tail like this, and its matra will go from one circle towards right down. This is U matra. After comes Ri. Ri. Ri is like this, like a ulta K, means a mirror. If you see K letter, it's like that opposite. Then it will be like E. Ri. And its matra is like C letter below the Vyanjan letters. This matra will come below the letters. After comes A. A will have matra above the letter. The slanting line will go towards the left side. After A comes A. A is similar to A, but while speaking A, your mouth will open little bigger, and the sound will come like A. And the matra is 2 slanting line above the letter. Next comes O. It's just like a letter, one standing line. This till here it is A. Then the difference will come here. We'll put matra on the second standing line only, not on the first one. So this is O matra. After that comes O. It's similar to O only, but the sound is changed. It is O. Your mouth will be oval, and the sound will be more like O. If something falls, you say O. This is the same sound. And again, you can see that matra slanting line is coming only on the second line, not the first one. This is O matra. So if you hide this letter, you will get the matra of the same akshar. O. Next is Ang. Ang is having one dot above the letter. This is Ang ki matra. Ang. The nasal sound will come. And the last one is Aha. Aha. Aha is having this 2 dots right inside. This is only aha matra. This is mostly used in Sanskrit language. So we will have quick recap of all the matras of Hindi swar letters. A don't have any matra. A is the standing line. E is coming from left towards right. E is coming from right towards left. U is this down, then it's going towards left up. U is down towards right down. Ri is down, C curve off. Now next comes A. It's going above the letter towards left. Next is A, similar to A. Only 2 slanting line will be there above the letter. Next comes O. One standing line, one slanting line. O, one standing line, 2 slanting line. Ang, one dot above letter. Aha is 2 dot right hand side of the letter.